Some cities are made for photos, some for adventure, but Baguio, it's made for memories. This isn't just a travel video, it's a throwback to the moments that became part of who I am. It's laughter echoing through pine trees, coffee warming cold hands, carousel rides that spun us into joy. Come with me and let's relive this beautiful chaos, one frame at a time. Hi everyone! Today, samahan niyo kami as we explore the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City. But wait, let me introduce you to the gang first. Si Carlene, the Kikay. Si James, travel guide pero naliligaw.
Ang totoo talaga.
Si Ate Marie, the financer.
Uy!
Si Rosel, the pretty boy. And me, ako yung ititrade nila sa isang sakong strawberry. So let me show you how we did the 24-hour trip to Baguio. Ate Mary booked us a ticket online through Victory Liner website for bus commute. She did that 3 weeks before our trip. You can visit their website for online transactions. And for passengers availing student discounts, senior and PWD discounts, must purchase the tickets from their terminal ticket booths. If you book your ticket online, they will send you a trip voucher via email. But that is not yet your bus ticket. Go to the ticket booth and show the copy of your trip voucher na nasa email mo with your valid ID. Mas lesser at mas mabilis ang pila for online.
Isang kita po ng aming camera.
Babaeng what? Ay! Kasi above.
And I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so good, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right.
In Baguio.
When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone.
Here's the lounge area. Sit here.
Do not sit here.
Again, all day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Umutot ka na ba na may kasamang basa? Magsasara daw yung pores mo dito sa Baguio kasi malamig. Bumuka pa naramdaman mo.
We checked in at Cedar Peak Residences, a space in the heart of Baguio, modest and clean, but somehow instantly home.
May ref! Ang brand ay Panasonic.
Yes, may joy.
O Ben, alam mo na saan ka matutulog. Ang walang love life.
There was something about unpacking, like we were dropping our baggage from the city just to make space for something new. The air was different, colder, calmer. It felt like the start of something we didn't know we needed.
Paano setup ng higaan? Tapos kami.
Doon ko yung apat.
영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아.
By the time we reached good taste, our appetites had grown with our excitement. We ordered like true barkada, no individual plates, just dishes meant for sharing. Sinigang steaming, fried chicken sizzling, chop suey bright with color. Every spoonful had a story. Every laugh echoed louder than the one before. In that moment, we weren't just eating, we were reconnecting. The way only shared meals can make you feel whole. Burnham Park greeted us with light and wonder.
Kamusta na mga kapamilya?
Ben, doon yung color-color movie, oh.
Amoy ulam na ba kayo?
Christmas stalls glowed softly in the distance, while children's laughter danced in the air. The man-made pond shimmered with reflections of stars, of lanterns, of us just being still. And then we saw it, the carousel, painted horses frozen mid-gallop, music boxes playing tunes we didn't recognize but somehow remembered. We climbed on, grown adults on plastic ponies, but at that moment, we were kids again. It wasn't about nostalgia. It was about giving joy permission to return. As the cold settled into our fingers, we warmed them with something simple, a cup of Baguio-grown coffee. There's something grounding about coffee here. It doesn't just wake you, it reminds you to pause. We sipped slowly, not in a rush to talk or move or post. Just together, in a moment where nothing more was needed. Next, we found ourselves inside Vizco's, a haven of soft frosting and thick whipped memories. Their famous strawberry shortcake didn't disappoint. It was delicate but bold, like Baguio itself, soft on the surface, full of flavor underneath. At 9 p.m., the Baguio Night Market came alive, a glowing current of people, stalls, and stories. There was a rhythm to the way vendors called out, like market melodies carried by mountain air. We didn't need to buy much. We just needed to be part of it. Sometimes the stroll is more valuable than what you find. We returned to Cedar Peak a little heavier with pasalubong, and much lighter inside. The city's noise faded, but in our room, peace hummed quietly. These are the kinds of silences that hold more meaning than words. Day 2 began with reflection at Baguio Cathedral. Its steps have carried millions, and we added ours in gratitude. Inside, we lit candles, not always for specific wishes, but for peace, for healing, for the ones we miss. Outside, strawberry taho waited for us like tradition. The syrup, sweet and deep red, blended with the silken tofu. It was comfort in a cup. One of those simple joys you carry home in your taste buds. We dove into the public market, where every corner carried a scent of pasalubong. We filled bags with pon cans, strawberry jam, and peanut brittle. Each item was chosen with someone in mind. Because even when we're away, we carry those we love with us. In flavors, in tokens, in the joy of giving. Someone pulled out a scratch it card, and just like that, we became dreamers again. Not because we needed to win, but because hope is a fun game too. Botanical Garden is a quiet masterpiece. A living canvas of colors, whispers, and scents. There were orchids suspended like chandeliers, a flute playing gently somewhere in the trees, and statues lined up like silent watchers on our path. We paused at the wishing well, coins dropped in, carrying secrets we'll never speak aloud. We even found a booth where you could wear traditional Ifugao costumes. We didn't dress up, but we watched others posing proudly. A celebration of culture woven into the garden's beauty. At Wright Park, the horses were waiting, painted with colors, bright as our moods. We didn't ride them, we just watched, smiled, and felt the joy of being near something wild yet calm. The stair path dared us, and we accepted. 100 steps later, breathless but fulfilled. The mansion greeted us like a memory standing still. To end it all, we sat down at Pizza Volante. We laughed over slices, remembered what we saw, and finally paid Ate Marie. She was more than the one who financed the trip. She was the friend who made it all happen, believing we'd pay her back eventually. Thank you, Ate Marie.
At eto na po, nagkukwenta na. Ba nagmamadyong tayo? Ba't parang unggoy-ungguyan ka?
320.
Looking back now, this wasn't just a vacation. It was a celebration of youth, of freedom, of the kind of friendships that don't ask questions. We didn't plan for everything. We just showed up, open-hearted, hungry, and ready to say yes. And in the city of pines, we found something better than rest. We found ourselves, and that is a story worth telling over and over again. Until next time.